Imagine a single drop of water containing the vastness of the ocean. That's the power within you. Your body is a universe of intelligence, constantly working to maintain balance and harmony. This innate intelligence is the source of your body's remarkable ability to heal itself. Every breath, every heartbeat is a testament to this miracle. Healing is not a single act, but a beautifully orchestrated symphony. It's a dance between cells, tissues, and organs, all communicating and cooperating. From the tiniest cut to a major injury, your body knows how to repair and regenerate. This intricate process involves multiple systems working together seamlessly. The immune system acts like an internal defense force, identifying and eliminating threats. The circulatory system transports nutrients and oxygen to injured areas. And the endocrine system releases hormones that regulate inflammation and promote healing. This intricate interplay of systems highlights the body's innate wisdom. It's a powerful reminder that healing is a natural, ongoing process. The immune system is our first line of defense, a crucial guardian that protects us from countless threats. It's a complex network of cells and proteins that constantly patrol the body, always on the lookout for potential dangers, identifying and neutralizing harmful invaders like bacteria and viruses is its primary job. This system is incredibly efficient at recognizing foreign substances and mounting a defense. When you get a cut, the immune system springs into action immediately. It sends signals to mobilize white blood cells to the site of injury. These white blood cells fight infection and promote healing by cleaning up debris and starting the repair process. This rapid response is essential for preventing infections and ensuring quick recovery. The nervous system is equally vital, acting as the body's control center. It coordinates all our actions and reactions. It receives information from the environment through our senses and sends signals to the rest of the body to respond appropriately. This system is responsible for everything from reflexes to complex thought processes. A healthy nervous system helps regulate stress, which is crucial for healing and overall well-being. Practices like meditation and stress relief activities can help maintain its balance. Chronic stress, however, can suppress the immune system and hinder the body's ability to repair itself. Prolonged stress can lead to a weakened immune response, making us more susceptible to illnesses and slowing down the healing process. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle, including regular exercise, a balanced diet, and adequate sleep, supports both the immune and nervous systems. These habits help ensure that our body's defenses and control mechanisms function optimally, keeping us healthy and resilient. Our thoughts and emotions have a profound impact on our physical well-being. Positive thoughts and emotions release healing chemicals in the brain, strengthening the immune system and promoting relaxation. Conversely, negative thoughts and stress release hormones that can suppress the immune system and hinder healing. Cultivating a positive mindset, practicing gratitude, and engaging in activities that bring joy can significantly enhance the body's healing capacity. Our thoughts are powerful, and by choosing positive ones, we can create an internal environment conducive to healing. Nourishing the healer within. Just as a gardener tends to their plants, we must nourish our bodies with care and attention. The way a gardener ensures each plant gets the right amount of water, sunlight, and nutrients, we too must provide our bodies with the essentials for optimal health. To support their natural healing abilities, a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, nuts, and whole grains is crucial. These foods are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help protect our cells from damage and support overall well-being. Whole grains provide the building blocks for cell regeneration and repair, ensuring our bodies can recover from daily wear and tear. Staying hydrated is equally important, as water flushes toxins from our system and transports essential nutrients to our cells. Adequate hydration keeps our skin healthy, our organs functioning properly, and our energy levels stable. Equally vital is getting enough sleep, as it allows the body to repair and rejuvenate itself. During sleep, our bodies undergo critical processes that restore our physical and mental health. Quality sleep enhances memory, mood, and cognitive function, making it an indispensable part of our healing journey. Regular exercise also plays a crucial role in maintaining our health. Exercise improves circulation, which helps deliver oxygen and nutrients to our cells more efficiently. It also boosts the immune system, making us more resilient to illnesses. Additionally, regular physical activity reduces stress and anxiety, promoting a sense of well-being. Practices like meditation and deep breathing can further enhance our body's ability to heal by calming the mind and reducing stress hormones. By making conscious choices that support our physical health, such as eating nutritious foods, staying hydrated, getting enough sleep, and exercising regularly, we empower our bodies to heal and thrive. Embrace these habits and watch as your body responds with vitality and strength. Triumphs of the human spirit. Throughout history, the human spirit has shown an incredible capacity to overcome adversity and achieve greatness. From personal victories to collective triumphs, these stories inspire and uplift us, reminding us of the boundless potential within each individual. Stories of spontaneous remission and miraculous recoveries abound, reminding us of the extraordinary healing power that resides within each of us. These instances are not just medical anomalies, but powerful testaments to the resilience and strength of the human body and spirit. They serve as beacons of hope for those facing their own health challenges. There's the story of John, who healed from a debilitating autoimmune disease by changing his diet, managing stress, and embracing a positive outlook. His journey was not easy, but through perseverance and a commitment to holistic health, he found a path to recovery. John's story is a powerful reminder that lifestyle changes can have profound impacts on our health. And the story of Mary, who overcame a life-threatening illness through the power of meditation and her unwavering belief in her body's ability to heal. Her daily practice of mindfulness and meditation not only helped her manage the physical symptoms, but also strengthened her mental and emotional resilience. Mary's story highlights the importance of mental fortitude in the healing process. These stories, while unique, share a common thread. The individuals tapped into their inner healing potential by embracing a holistic approach that addressed their physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. By integrating various wellness practices, they were able to create a balanced and harmonious state of health. These narratives encourage us to look beyond conventional treatments and explore the full spectrum of healing possibilities. Embracing your healing journey. Healing is not a destination, but a journey of self-discovery and empowerment. It's about listening to your body's wisdom, honoring its needs, and providing it with the tools it needs to thrive. It's about cultivating a positive mindset, managing stress, and nurturing yourself with loving kindness. Remember, you are not alone on this journey. Millions have walked this path before you, and their stories serve as beacons of hope and inspiration. Trust in the innate intelligence of your body and embrace the transformative power of healing. Join the movement. There is a global shift happening, a movement towards reclaiming our innate healing power. People are waking up to the realization that true health extends beyond the physical body. It encompasses our thoughts, emotions, and spiritual well-being. Join this movement. Share your story. Inspire others. Together, we can create a world where healing is the norm, not the exception. Your story matters. Everyone has a story to tell, a journey of healing and resilience. Your story has the power to inspire others, to offer hope, and to remind us all of the extraordinary healing potential that resides within. Share your story below. Let your voice be heard. Together, we can create a tapestry of healing, woven with threads of hope, courage, and the unwavering belief in the body's innate ability to heal.